outside their right hand. A warm welcome to everyone. I, Guniti Hardy, and I, Kalima Sharma, extend a warm welcome to the guest lecture by Institution Innovation Council, James Wassily. The Institutions Innovation Council (IIC) was established on 21st November 2018 at James Wassily. Since the inception of IICs by the Innovation Cell (MIC), as per the norms and directives of the Ministry of Education, then Ministry of Human Resource Development (MHRD), it is established to engage a large number of faculty, students, and staff in various innovation and entrepreneurship-related activities such as hackathons, leadership talks, ideation, workshops, seminars and IPR, entrepreneurship, and other competitive events to enhance the innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem in the state. He started his journey in 2015 as an intern in Dainik Javed and did various internships at reputed firms and finally landed in ESL Services as an assistant manager. He has developed and executed internal marketing campaigns, creating visually compelling content to engage and inform the organization. Mr. Mayank has managed the Internal Content Management System (CMS) for global communication, ensuring seamless dissemination of information and optimizing user engagement and collaborating with cross-functional teams to ensure seamless coordination of campaigns, aligning with organizational objectives. He has also orchestrated internal product marketing strategies, driving awareness and adoption among employees. Mr. Mayank has secured a prestigious award for surpassing expectations with innovative global internal communication campaigns, strategically designed to enhance user acceptance for state-of-the-art internal products, and he's earned global recognition for impactful CSR contribution and leadership in driving transformative initiatives.
Now, I would like to call Neenal to welcome Sir with the plant. Without further ado, I would like to ask Sir to share his insights on the topic unlocking creativity, problem solving, and ideation.
So should I begin or
Yes.
can I have the podium and
Yeah,
just
sure.
be much more comfortable? I was a mass comm graduate from IIT University and उन्होंने introduction तो दे दिया, but I still would like to tell you guys, they have told you guys one side of my career, I am going to tell you the other side as well. So I am Mayank Sachdeva. Currently I am working with EXL Services. It's a data analytics organization and I am working in their internal communications department as an assistant manager. Sounds fancy, but it isn't. Everybody gets there, it's nothing big. And other than that, I'm working as an Instagram content creator as well, specifically men's fashion. I know मेरी outfit देख के लग रहा है I'm dripping corporate today, but you know guys कि करना पड़ता है formal occasion, formal setup के लिए, right? So I just want to be, I'm here today to be with you guys, and I know that what you guys are right now thinking. You guys are on that stage in your life where you are in college, you are loving your time, but you don't know what's happening after 1 month, 2 months, like first semester, second semester, or like after your final year. So आज मेरा goal बहुत simple है. I just want to make sure that each and every one of you gets at least one step closer what you want in your life, right? And the topic itself is about unlocking creativity, problem solving, and ideation. Problem solving and ideation is something which is applicable everywhere. In your personal life, in your professional life, in your creative life, whatever you are doing. We will discuss in personal life, we won't discuss the personal life of you guys, but we'll obviously discuss the professional life aspect. So anyone would like to tell me what are you guys expecting out of this session? Anyone? No one? Guys, interact करना पड़ेगा आज हमें, and I guess बिना interaction के मजा नहीं आएगा क्योंकि आज का session सारा interactive ही है. I literally have this slide made, literally nothing else. Today we are going to learn about this topic, but my purposes of this topic was basically आप लोग जो भी करो अपने life में, you would apply this everywhere, and you guys just need to interact today because अगर आप लोग interact नहीं करोगे मजा नहीं आएगा. I have bunch of activities planned, literally. ठीक है? So before beginning, do you guys should I? No. We move this slide and so what is problem solving? From every say right? Right. Process of finding solutions to difficult or complex problem issues. And what is ideation?
Good.
Yeah, guys, you are like graduate, undergraduate. Ideation का मतलब सबको मालूम होगा. 12th में सबने पढ़ी है इंग्लिश यार. Ideation का मतलब हिंदी में बोल लो, इंग्लिश में बोल लो, जिस लैंग्वेज में कंफर्टेबल हो उसमें बोलो. बट बोलो. Idea से related what? Exactly. Yeah. Say.
Think about an idea or being quite innovative, like
That's like being quite innovative. So ideation, the creative process of generating, developing and communicating new ideas, right? Yeah, तुम लोग इतने nervous. So basically we are discussing problem solving and ideation. But what do you think, like problem solving and ideation? क्यों हम लोग discuss कर रहे हैं? Why do you think that this is the topic? Why we have gone with this? What is the reason behind it? अच्छा चलो छोड़ो. How many of our entrepreneurs or aspiring entrepreneurs? कुछ तो होंगे ना. किसी को अपना बिजनेस करना होगा, कोई अपने बिजनेस में होगा, कोई फैमिली बिजनेस में होगा पहले से. No one. Parents in that business. So what? Like, how do you feel? Like you are an entrepreneur, right? You must see a lot of problems on daily basis. What is the business, if I can ask?
it is an eat-free, so like
Can you be a little louder? I can't.
it is an eat-free, so like managing the staff or the orders that are coming from online orders or probably in shop there is a conflict or anything like that. Solving those problems.
So बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि किसी ने Zomato पे ऑर्डर कर दिया but ऑर्डर कैंसिल कर दिया and now you have to manage that problem. Like the food is already in the oven but you have to still manage, right?
This rarely happens.
This nearly happens, but sometimes happens, right? It happens because we were in a restaurant business, so obviously. So basically, none of you guys are interested in entrepreneurship. I get it, and the business acumen wise. Yeah, go ahead, please. हाँ, say.
Yeah.
Like,
क्या?
so you are like, are you an entrepreneur? You want to have a business or something? You feel like you are aspiring. What? If I can ask, is there any idea with you right now? Or you don't want to share here publicly? Second option. So Shark Tank में चले जाना. Shark Tank में जरूर जाना at least. Try करना. Revenue stream नहीं है, ठीक है. So basically, the reason I'm discussing this entrepreneurship topic is because entrepreneurs are the people who are facing tons of problems. Everybody is facing, but entrepreneurs on business, on professional front, because we are discussing. अभी हम लोगों ने personal therapy session शुरू नहीं करा, इसलिए I'm not going to discuss anyone's personal life and boundaries. ठीक है? So basically, when we are discussing about entrepreneurship, so okay, nobody is like right now aspiring, and they are aspiring. They are not open with their idea. So what is stopping you right now? If you have a business and you are aspiring, what is stopping you?
First, I think I should develop more skills to be able to cut costs.
Okay, cut costs to develop more skills. So are you like currently doing something? You are a business student, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
So you are currently acquiring that skill in college and practicing maybe somewhere interning or going out with the family or whatever with your family business, whatever you are practicing. So basically what is stopping you is the right now you feel like you don't have a full skill, or like you are still acquiring the skill, right?
Like in a business, if you do have business skills, but that's not enough to, at least you should be a master in some basic skills that is important.
Right, I agree, because obviously you need to have a skill to like you need to have a skill in which you can actually perform well. So I guess अभी entrepreneur वाला तो angle यहाँ पे नहीं है, तो मेरा तो मैंने पूरे notes बनाए थे सब खराब हो गए, ठीक है? So we go and candidate, right? I'm just kidding, I'm fully prepared. So basically, when we are discussing about problem, one of the major thing is understanding the problem. He understands that problem right now, that he needs to acquire more skill, right? There is a gap of skill. Suppose he might be in a data analytics business where he needs to know coding. but he doesn't know it yet. He knows very basic 4 languages, but he needs to learn 10 more languages, right? To excel that skill. So the first problem, the first part which we are going to discuss is about today, when we are talking about navigating creative terrain. Basically, ideation और innovation क्या है? हमें creative thinking को अपने लगाना ना, हमें कोई problem solve करनी है, we need to be creative enough, right? So the first point which we are going to discuss is understanding the problem. So he is understanding the problem. He knows that there is a skill gap, right? But जरूरी नहीं है कि उसको skill gap लग रहा है कि वो सही solution है कि गलत है. Suppose anybody has any random startup idea right now कि किसी का दिमाग में कुछ idea हो. Anyone? चाहे घिसा पिटा idea हो चलेगा. Any volunteer? हाँ, please go ahead.
किसी को ट्यूशन देना.
किसी को tuition देना. So why do you think किसी को tuition देना is problem solving for people? How it is problem solving?
किसी को नीड हो ट्यूशन.
Right? किसी को need हो, but who is your audience? Basically, weak kids, people, or suppose if you are teaching mathematics, so kids who are not so strong in maths, maybe teaching them mathematics concepts, right? That can be your understanding the problem. But the gap here of understanding the problem is one thing that sometimes we jump to the conclusions. What if the kid is dyslexic? Example, I'm not derogating anyone, but what if the kid is dyslexic? Then the problem changes, right? He doesn't need a tutor. He needs someone who can teach him, who can get him over with his dyslexia and work on it. Someone who can be a mental therapist, not emotionally, but a lot of activities, right? So there is this concept called design thinking, where we understand the problem, but we jump to the conclusion. You jump to the conclusion that maybe the kid is bad with maths, but the kid might have some other issues as well. There might be some other stuff as well. Zaruri nahi hai, everybody doesn't perform well, I'm pretty sure. There are kids among you who are performing very good. There are kids who are performing very well, and there are kids who have good potential, but there is something in personal life. अब किसी का एग्जाम से एक दिन पहले ब्रेकअप हो गया तो उसका तो एग्जाम खराब होगा अगले दिन, राइट? आई कैन एक्सपेक्ट दैट, राइट? इट्स अ नॉर्मल थिंग. हाँ, अब क्या पैचअप नहीं से
कह रहे पैचअप भी तो होगा फिर.
तो पैचअप अगर एग्जाम से एक दिन पहले होगा तो मूड तो खराब होगा, पेपर तो इफेक्ट होगा, राइट? सो ऑब्वियसली योर स्टेज और व्हाटएवर इज द प्रॉब्लम राइट नाउ कैन एक्चुअली अफेक्ट योर स्टफ, राइट?
उसका ब्रेकअप भी नहीं होगा ना इसलिए
हटा देगा पैचअप. वो काफी कीन है.
ट्रेंड हुआ है मैं.
So basically, I was discussing about design thinking. So I'm going to tell you a story. I know if you guys are feeling कि I'm going too fast, too slow, whatever you guys want to discuss, if you want to say anything, this is an interactive session. I would appreciate even if you're saying, even if you're booing me, I don't care, to be honest. I do care, but I don't care like you are doing it out of content, I guess maybe, but not on me. So there's an old story. There was this guy, there was an old man on red light. He used to wander a lot. And there was this guy who used to cross that red light while going to his office. रोज शाम को ऑफिस से निकलता वहीं उस red light से निकलता था. So that old man used to stop him and ask for the time. कि time कितना हो रहा है? And he used to tell him अच्छा इतना time हो रहा है, 6 बज रहे हैं, 7 बज रहे हैं. He used to ask again and again. Next day he used to go there again वो red light में same question पूछ रहा है, time पूछ रहा है, again वो पूछ रहा है. तीसरे दिन जाके उसने सोचा let me gift him a watch. बार बार मेरा मुझसे क्यों टाइम पूछ रहा है, let me gift him a watch. He goes and gifts him a watch. बट अगर उसने उसको वॉच दे दी, उसको लगा बहुत खुश हो गया वो बंदा भी. दैट ओल्ड मैन आल्सो वाज रियली हैप्पी एंड द अदर मैन आल्सो वाज थिंकिंग यार मैंने उसकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दी, राइट? बट अगले दिन वो फिर जाता है, वो फिर लोगों से टाइम पूछ रहा होता है. एनी रीजंस व्हाई ही वाज डूइंग दैट, द ओल्ड मैन? He doesn't know how to see the time. Yeah, you saying? Who saying? Someone says.
वो ब्लाइंड भी हो सकता है.
Blind भी हो सकता है. Anyone? Any other guesses? क्या? लिया गिफ्ट लेके बेच रहा होगा, राइट? Anything else? Sorry? हाँ.
किसी से मिलने जाना होगा.
Sorry?
उसे किसी से मिलने जाना होगा तभी टाइम पूछ रहा है.
बट घड़ी तो दे दी ना उसको एक दिन पहले.
जी क्या?
करने की आदत होगी. आंसर लेने को बता रहे.
Maybe. So we have multiple reasons, right? घड़ी गिफ्ट करना was not the solution. There might be a person can be blind. There might be this person who doesn't know how to see time, uneducated, maybe. Or there might be a reason कि वो lonely है लाइफ में, क्या पता वो सिर्फ interaction के लिए उसका मौका और कुछ नहीं है, right?
टाइम पूछना है.
लोग normally randomly conversation करते हैं, तो there are people like this, and we should be vocal about this kind of mental health. So if a person who is going through whatever this and any of the 3 scenarios, But जो उसने घड़ी गिफ्ट करी was not the solution, right? Because he never understood the problem. So when you are, this is called design thinking. Basically, when you try to understand the exact reasons, you just don't go to the first next, the nearest conclusion or the most obvious conclusion. Because there are a lot of times in life when the solution is not just you, like the what you think, right? When you're talking about there's a problem in market, there's always a solution, right? And what we need to do is like sometimes if we don't know how to get there, we can reverse map it, right? I'll tell you, ठीक है? I think people are little getting confused. I'll start from the beginning. ठीक है? So पता लग गया मेरे introduction से I'm a content creator and I work in corporate. हाँ very good, ठीक है? But point ये है, it never happens like everything it was planned. I had different plans with my life and I started with something else. But I knew because I was a mass comm student, I joined mass comm because I was always interested in filmmaking. I don't know Anupriya ma'am have told you or not, but we were classmates in masters. So she knows that I do have a knack for production, filmmaking. But I was really confused in my life that should I go ahead and after my graduation just abandon my home in Delhi and go to Bombay and start, like obviously it takes a lot of guts to do all of that and it takes a lot of time also. So was I ready to do it or not? But I knew that I'm good with social media. I have worked with multiple organizations. I used to handle their social media accounts. And I knew that I'm decent at content creation, but not so good that I can just go ahead and start my startup right away after my college and then just take the 10 and 15 accounts and 10-15 clients and go ahead, right? So I had to come across in midpoint where I can actually have both best of both worlds, right? Content creation nowadays is all about filmmaking only. It's instead of a 3-hour movie, it's a 1-minute video, and nobody has that span of time of even watching a 1-minute video. I'm pretty sure 50% of you are already bored of me because span सबका short हो चुका है because of reels and TikTok obviously. But point ये है कि this thing made me wonder that if content creation is like when I was at your age, content creation was not that prominent. It was in the process. I was seeing that and I was getting so much of ideas that I think I should go ahead and practice this. But I was not so much confident enough ki will I be able to do that? Will my social media skill and basic filmmaking skill will help this or not? But then eventually I came across and I started kind of getting into midpoint. I don't know if you guys have seen the Instagram or the team has shared it with you. I'm pretty sure you guys won't be disappointed at least. So that's how I solved my problem of pursuing both the careers and having best of both worlds. So that was my problem at that time. Should I go ahead and have a social media career? Should I go ahead to Bombay and leave everything behind? Or can I just have like I'm doing my masters, I'm an assistant professor and I can just go ahead and get a good cushy job and chill. But yeah, everybody has their dreams, everybody has their goals and they need to juggle around. So my problem at that situation was to get everything. And I guess every one of you is aspirational, right? Because of your aspirations, you are right now here. I'm pretty sure. Everybody has their dreams, everybody has their stuff to do. Someone must have, someone among you who really wants to be, someone would like to go ahead and pursue filmmaking. Someone would like to go ahead and pursue a career in PR. Hotshot corporate बनना है किसी को PR में जाना है, किसी को कुछ भी, किसी को maybe startup भी खड़ा करना है. Someone would draw good, so maybe a cartoonist one day or maybe a very big illustrator. ठीक है? So this is the problem on your career which you are right now facing. You should go ahead and understand the problem and the need for it. So if you are going ahead and be a cartoonist, do you think it's a good time to be a cartoonist? Because newspapers are dead now. Journalism students are, I guess, class में, right? तो उनको पता होगा newspapers, the physical newspapers are kind of dead right now. कोई नहीं है journalism, yeah, go ahead. Yeah, the anime is going. That is the thing. That's why the problem has been solved by anime. The anime is going on. You guys must have seen Instagram पे Illustrator pages कितने हैं अलग से. People are doodling, people are selling doodles, people are literally selling doodles for the price of Mona Lisas right now. So people have actually used their own skill and combined with the new age and the need, right? This is one thing which you also need to understand the problem. क्या तुम लोग तो सब बोर हो रहे हो, कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा? Interesting. पक्का. अच्छा, tell me what is your career aspiration? हाँ? Business. So जब मैंने पूछा entrepreneur, why didn't you go ahead and? अच्छा, sorry. So what is your idea like? If I can ask. Ideas in business, like what do you want to do business or what? Can you please be a little louder? It's like a little noisy. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. यहाँ पे नाम से and you have to be loud ताकि बाकी क्लास में समझे ना। यार appreciate कर लो थोड़ा सा। Yeah, go ahead. नहीं, I'm asking like whatever idea you have as an entrepreneur, what would you like to do? You need to actually. We are talking about understanding problem as an entrepreneur. You're solving problems, right?
Basic idea is solve the largest problem.
What is the large problem you're solving?
I think I want to pursue the sector of energy,
In the energy.
in the renewable energy.
Okay. So what do you think? What is the need of renewable? Why you are doing renewable?
Renewable energy sector is because we are heading towards energy crisis.
Right.
That's for sure.
Sure.
So we have to be in the at a place where we are not in the मतलब हम ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि हम किसी और सोर्स पे रिलाय कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे वो चीज़ बहुत लिमिटेड है।
Right.
रिन्यूएबल सोर्स एक ऐसी एनर्जी है जहाँ पे वो अबंडेंस है। बस मतलब कहते हैं कि अभी सन को भी लगने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा, बिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स, तब तक तो हम थोड़ा सस्टेन कर लेते हैं।
So he is looking towards an idea of in energy sector. He is thinking of using an renewable energy to create a better source for everyone.
बेसिक आइडिया ये है कि डिस्प्ले निकालता है कि एनर्जी किसके बाप की।
हाँ, exactly. तो फिर अगर go ahead, please complete.
तो हाँ मतलब ऐसे कुछ करते हैं कि जिसमें वहाँ पे एनर्जी फ्री हो।
So energy free हो. So he is working towards an idea where energy is free, and he knows the need because everybody knows that resources are limited. Petrol is almost at the end. Gulf is ending soon. So petrol तो नहीं मिल रहा. Diesel वैसे भी बैन हो चुका है in Delhi में तो specifically. So energy wise if you are talking, sorry, switch to CNG. CNG में कितना बचा है?
उसका पेट्रोलियम का एक कॉन्सेप्ट
We are talking about energy. So basically, guys, any questions can be directed here. I'm here to solve your questions only. ठीक है? So he's talking about renewable energy because he knows that there is a scarcity, right? And he's understanding the problem. I don't know by when you will come up with a solution. I hope you come up with a solution soon, and you already have a solution. That's good. I would like to see. So if you guys have a solution towards a problem, that means he's moving in the right direction, right? He must have thought that if he's moving, I think you are moving from the opposite direction, na? So if your goal is to have a renewable resource and energy where you know that the resources will be limited, so let's go ahead and take a resource which is unlimited, abundance obviously. So for problem solving, this is also important that you can reverse map. Sometimes when you don't know the next step to take it, go ahead to your goal and then reverse map it. You might find a better solution. So that's why I took this example. You can go ahead. You can chill. ठीक है. So when we are talking about understanding the problem, my major aim for this was to get you guys know that do not jump to the conclusions. You need to analyze the situation. You need to understand the problem. And I guess right now you guys are like getting bored. So एक ना चिट निकालो. सबके पास होगी ना नोटबुक. एक पेपर निकालो फटाफट. Go ahead. There is no judgment. You have to write what you want to write. So Hardik and Kamya have done it. Can you guys stand up for a minute? So Hardik and Kamya have सीखे अपने and उन्होंने swap कर लिया, right? तुमने swap कर लिया ना चिट को. Explain his idea. यहाँ सामने आ जाओ. Explain करो what he has done. What he has written. Explain it. What do you think of it? So Kamya is explaining Hardik's idea in her own words. Yeah, but it's very simple. Explain that. You have to explain that. What do you think? Guys, आवाज नहीं आ रही है उसकी. चलो. Yeah, sorry. Go ahead.
The idea is to provide 24/7 availability of cake of
their customers' own desire. Like however the customer wants it, so you just deliver it the way they want it.
So 24/7
At
Kamya
any
will
time.
give an idea, right? Explain her idea, Kamya's idea.
You start a new restaurant.
Start a new restaurant.
That's very basic. Like
So next one, जैसे उन्होंने expand करा, expand her idea.
एक रेस्टोरेंट स्टार्ट करना है.
एक time नहीं है. You have to speak for a minute on the idea. What do you think? Like this restaurant की basically you have to put your thought in her idea. Yeah, sure.
like just to add because I love food. Firstly, I
So basically, Hardik's idea, Hardik said an idea of a 24/7 cakery, right? Right? 24/7 cake, online cake order options for any customization available. Sorry? 24/7 में मिल जाता है,
भाई
right?
कस्टमर की डिजाइन के अकॉर्डिंग मिलता है ना. कस्टमर के डिजाइन के अकॉर्डिंग.
Customizable according to customer. Customizable.
like it takes time.
It takes time, right? So he's saying, yeah. Cake, cake shop, bakery.
हाँ आवाज आ रही है.
ऐसा क्या है? So basically यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम नहीं सीख रहे हैं. मैंने यहाँ पे इन लोगों को आइडियाज इसलिए स्वैप करने को बोला so that she can explain his idea and he can explain hers.
देख, आपको एक मिनट तो केक चाहिए, उसमें तेरी फोटो तो मिल जाएगा. 2 मिनट 3 मिनट तो चाहिए.
और अगर मेरे से अगर मेरे को स्वीट खानी है तो डेजर्ट
केक की बात करो यार ना.
वहाँ पे डोनट्स होते हैं, वहाँ पे और सारी इतनी सारी चीजें होती हैं.
I agree with you guys. Okay, I get it.
कस्टमाइज केक आपको एक बजे
Listen, guys. The point here is not to criticize or judge the idea. The point here is something else. My point was basically about how Kamya explained his idea. She kind of added her points as well. You added that customizable, and he is now adding more stuff. Can you guys go ahead and say that? Can I have a explain this idea, na? What was your
प्रॉब्लम है ब्रांड क्रिएशन.
problem? क्या है? Brand integration,
ब्रांड क्रिएशन.
brand creation in India. So explain what do you think? What he was thinking while writing this?
So he was thinking that in India, the so-called brand value is not good. And only in business or in industry, a brand is created value. जैसे कि मैं अभी रिसेंट एग्जाम्पल मैं वो इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड पे गया था, ठीक है. तो वहाँ पे जितने भी स्टेट्स के स्टोर्स थे उन पे इतनी भीड़ नहीं थी. भीड़ हो तो क्राउड नहीं था, ठीक है. और उन पे अच्छे क्लोथ्स थे, सब चीज़ थी, अच्छी क्वालिटी की थी, अच्छे रेट पे थी, लेकिन इतना क्राउड था नहीं. लेकिन फिर मैं गया इंटरनेशनल वहाँ पे जहाँ पे उनके इंटरनेशनल रूल्स लगे हुए थे. और बस इंटरनेशनल के नाम पे कि सिंगापुर से है, मलेशिया से है, अफगानिस्तान से है, वहाँ पे पैर रखने की जगह नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि एक ब्रांड वैल्यू जो होती है ना वो ऐसे क्रिएट होती है कि आपने किसी चीज़ की इमोशंस लिया कि वहाँ के जो लोग खरीद रहे थे ना उन प्रोडक्ट्स को, उनके दिमाग में ये चीज़ थी कि हम किसी अदर कंट्री का खरीद रहे हैं, उनके लिए वो ब्रांड. तो इस तरीके से ब्रांड क्रिएशन इंडिया में है नहीं. अच्छे हैं 2-3 हैं, नंबर कम है, ज़्यादा होने चाहिए अगर हमें वहाँ तक पहुँचना है. और
Is he
जैसे
explaining your idea right? Exactly. पहले बता दिया था.
मतलब बेसिकली इस आइडिया के पीछे ये था कि ब्रांड क्रिएशन एज इन इंडिया, अगर हम अपना किसी हिंदी पर्टिकुलर नाम रखते हैं, जैसे आजकल गवर्नमेंट रखती है अपने, जैसे डिजी यात्रा हो गया, राइट, तो वो गवर्नमेंट के अकॉर्डिंगली सही है. जो हम एक्सेप्ट करते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट हमारी इंडिया की है, तो फिर वो थोड़ी बहुत वर्नाक्युलर या फिर नेटिव लैंग्वेज यूज करती है. एक बट अगर किसी प्राइवेट को अगर ब्रांड क्रिएट करनी है तो हम मोस्टली उस ब्रांड के पीछे जैसे पीटर स्पार्क्स में कोई ब्रांड नहीं है, बट अगर मैं लॉन्च करूँगा सुनने में अच्छा लग रहा है।
एक और एग्जाम्पल मेरे साथ थोड़ा ब्रॉड करते हैं कि पीटर इंग्लैंड, वैन हुसैन, एलन सोली कहाँ की कंपनी है?
Just because he's saying that कि
Because Indian have a colonial
colonial mindset या colonial hangover अब तक उतरा नहीं है Indians का. So he's basically talking about that. What was his idea?
इसका आइडिया था कि मतलब जैसे अभी जोमेटो है, जोमेटो की जैसे जोमेटो बेसिकली रेस्टोरेंट डिलीवरी करता है, तो एक ऐसा सिस्टम डिवाइस कर देगा जहाँ पे होम डिलीवरी हो रही है, लाइक जो घर है वो एक तरीके से एक रेस्टोरेंट क्लाउड किचन से हट के क्लाउड किचन इज बेसिकली समथिंग दैट जो अभी भी अपने आप चल रहा है, लेकिन हम ऐसा नहीं एक्सक्लूड कर रहे।
अगर इसे प्रॉब्लम और अच्छा लगता है या पीजीज में लोग रहते हैं
भाई इस बोलने तो नहीं,
हाँ, third is like expletive.
मैंने 4 महीने के रिसर्च लिया
Go ahead.
तो
आइडिया
कोई नहीं
अब
देखा
कोई नहीं, दोनों मिलके स्टार्टअप बना लेना. Let him explain.
तो इसमें मोस्टली ये था कि जो पीजीज के स्टूडेंट होते हैं टारगेट कस्टमर्स हमारे भाई, तो टारगेट कस्टमर जैसे आपका जियो का एरिया हो गया, एरिया हो गया, तो वहाँ पे बेसिकली लोगों के पास फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये है, हमने जब सर्वे करा था तो उसके अंदर आया था कि जो उनकी मिनिमम स्पेंडिंग थी वो जोमेटो की जितनी स्पेंडिंग है वो क्लैश करती थी, वो जोमेटो की स्पेंडिंग जितनी चाहिए होता है उससे ऊपर निकलती थी, तो उनका जो कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर था वो उससे कम था। So they wanted something that can fill them, that can be of a lesser cost than Zomato, because that can be a healthier option and that would make them feel that like they are at their home.
So basically cloud kitchen ही हो गया ना.
यार क्लाउड किचन में भी एक तरीके से आप मान लो उनके पास रेपिटेटिव कस्टमर्स आ रहे हैं.
See, repetitive customers आ रहे हैं. यहाँ पे my point of doing this activity was like you had a cloud kitchen. He's explaining. You explained as a like not exactly as a cloud kitchen, but he has a cloud kitchen idea. Or what?
नहीं, इसने मेरे को पता है क्या बोला है? इसने मेरे को बोला है कि घर का खाना और नॉट जोमेटो बेसिकली
घर का खाना जोमेटो में मिलता है, बहुत सारे क्लाउड किचन
आपका घर है,
हाँ.
मेरा घर है.
हाँ.
अब जरूरी नहीं है कि हमारी जो मदर्स हैं
हाँ.
बाहर काम करती हैं हाउस वाइफ, तो इसमें एक एंगल ऐसा भी है कि वो अपना खुद का घर से बना के बिजनेस स्टार्ट करें, जहाँ पे वो अपने हमारे आते हैं.
So I wish you guys luck.
और
Any other feedback or should we move on? Taking.
भाई क्लाउड किचन में हाइजीन कैसे इंश्योर करेगा? तुझे क्या पता कि उसकी कढ़ाई साफ?
एयरबीएनबी में ना मतलब फोटो डाल देते हैं.
मतलब कोई भी रैंडम घर है उसमें से कुछ खाना आ रहा है, तुझे कैसे पता चलेगा साफ है?
पता है मेरे को, मतलब ये भी सोचा
और बता दो आपने सोचा बस
फीडबैक तो लेते हैं ना, आगे रिस्पॉन्ड थोड़ी करते हैं.
So if it is a question, he's asking you a question, how are you going to address करो यार?
क्वालिटी डिपार्टमेंट है.
हाँ, क्वालिटी डिपार्टमेंट.
वही है
वेरीफाइड यूजर्स.
वेरीफाइड यूजर्स.
Please ask फटाफट से. We'll do a small activity and then we'll move to the next part, last part. Any theatre enthusiast, theatre, acting, whatever. कोई भी नहीं है? या कब है? कोई भी नहीं है, किसने नौटंकी नहीं करी पूरी जिंदगी में आज तक? देखना पसंद है. कोई भी नहीं है. So what we can my point of doing this improv activity was to you guys to teach you so that you can go ahead and learn about how a person, how a teamwork, how basically a team works. I wanted you 5 guys to be here so that a person can start with a character and the other person can go on and lead the story. But हम नहीं कर पा रहे because of shortage of time, and that's why I'm just explaining it ahead. Then this is going to be last activity. दमशराज आता है सबको खेलना. मुझे कोई 2 वॉलंटियर्स चाहिए जिसको एक्ट करके दिखाना. Can you act? Unnati? Yeah. Go ahead. You can act. Give her a film. मैं उसको बॉलीवुड फिल्म दूंगा because that is more prominent. तो मैं बॉलीवुड मूवी दूंगा, शी इज सपोज टू एक्ट एंड गेस करना है, दैट्स इट. No mumbling. Yeah.
Tiger 3.
अच्छा, एक और मूवी, हेरा फेरी इज द राइट आंसर. Can you go ahead and take another option? Go ahead, yeah. Okay, she's gonna do another movie. Yeah, go ahead. See, she just did a Singham action and you guys got it. Because that is the part of the effective communication. If you have an idea, as a comm student, you should know how to communicate your idea. She took an idea which she knew कि वो कैसे रेजोनेट करेगा. सबको मालूम है सिंघम का साइन वो 1 सेकंड में पकड़ लेंगे. उसने हेरा फेरी के लिए राजू वाला पोज पकड़ा and you guys just literally guessed it. उससे पहले they were like saying Tiger 2, Tiger 3 because she said 2 words. The reason behind was to teach you guys that that effective communication is one thing which is really important. So since we were discussing about ideas, you guys need to know and understand how we are supposed to effectively deliver what you guys are thinking. So any questions, anything else, because I think we are actually quite ahead of the time. Anything which you guys want to discuss? Anything? No questions? किसी को कुछ फायदा हुआ नहीं हुआ तो वो भी बताता हूँ मेरे को ऑनेस्टली, बिकॉज दिस मेरे लिए भी फीडबैक है ना. मैं भी कंस्ट्रक्टिव फीडबैक अप्लाई करूँगा ना अपनी लाइफ में. मजा आया. एनी नो फीडबैक? हाँ,
बेसिकली जो हमें कम्युनिकेशन स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाया जाता है कि फीडबैक और फिर जो मतलब जो हमारा प्लान रहेगा आगे का, जैसे कोई इवेंट कराया उसका फीडबैक सारा, तो स्टार्टिंग का प्रमोशन और फीडबैक सब कुछ पीआर फर्म के अंदर आ जाता है. तो ये सिर्फ पीआर प्रोफेशनल्स को ये चीज़ सीखने की जरूरत है कि फीडबैक वगैरह कैसे लेना है, कंस्ट्रक्टिव फीडबैक और आइडियाज को किस तरीके से प्लान में जनरेट करना है, या और भी लोगों को सीखना चाहिए जो फर्म चला रहे हैं.
I believe everybody should apply this because if you are talking about feedback in general also, suppose मैं corporate हूँ, I have made a new campaign, I need to understand ना कि मेरी campaign की मेरी audience के पास जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा. अगर मैंने advertising campaign बनाया, मेरी ऑडियंस को पसंद आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा. अब अगर टाइगर 3 रिलीज हुई तो सलमान खान वांट्स टू नो ना कि मूवी कैसे चली. बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शन इज द फीडबैक, राइट? सो इट इज एप्लीकेबल इन एवरी स्टेज बिकॉज फीडबैक विल मेक यू थिंक ना कि ओके अगर मूवी फ्लॉप हो गई तो दे नो दैट कि व्हाट दे हैव डन रॉन्ग, दे विल ट्राई टू फिगर इट आउट, राइट? सो फीडबैक इज एप्लीकेबल एवरीवेयर.
बट डू यू थिंक कि सलमान खान को फर्क पड़ेगा?
सलमान खान को फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, बट द बिजनेस पीपल, बट द बिजनेस, बिकॉज इट्स अ बिजनेस, राइट? इट्स अ फिल्म मेकिंग इज अ बिजनेस आल्सो. So people who have created that movie, they have made loads of money. They are done. उन्होंने 4 साल में जाकर अगर एक पिक्चर बनाई and the movie has earned what 300 crores है? 375 crores. तो उनका तो प्रॉफिट निकल गया. उन्होंने तो 100 करोड़ की इन्वेस्टमेंट करी, थ्राइस आ गया उनका प्रॉफिट. और अलग से पीआर अलग, because कैटरीना कैफ, सलमान खान अगेन ऑन द स्क्रीन, और विक्की कौशल को और जलाती है सबने पब्लिकली. So anything else you guys like to discuss? Anything you guys have any questions? क्योंकि we were not able to cover everything exactly. Collaboration and last की part में मैं cut short करने पड़े. But anything you guys would like to discuss? Any questions? Yeah.
इंडिविजुअल कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे कि एफएमसीजी ब्रांड बनानी है या उसके लिए परफेक्ट एफएमसीजी?
थोड़ा सा लाउड.
इंडिविजुअल कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे उसे एक एफएमसीजी ब्रांड बनानी चाहिए या उसे एक रिटेल में जाना चाहिए?
So इंडिविजुअल ये डिसाइड करने से बेटर, इंडिविजुअल अगर फिर टॉकिंग अबाउट एफएमसीजी या रिटेल के लिए आपका आइडिया और आपका प्रोडक्ट क्या है उस पर डिपेंड करता है. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपका प्रोडक्ट एफएमसीजी हो, और जरूरी नहीं है आपका आइडिया कैन एक्चुअली बी इन एफएमसीजी, कैन बी चेंज इनटू एफएमसीजी, राइट? इट टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन योर स्पेसिफिक आइडिया.
स्पेसिफिक आइडिया सेलेक्ट, मेरा आइडिया से चलना है टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड से नहीं है. मेरा बेसिक क्वेश्चन ये था कि फाइल कैसे करें, उसका इंटरेस्ट
So to finding out your interest, you need to obviously get feedback from people. You have to roll out ideas. So अगर आपका idea अगर आपने बोला technical है, it's in nature. Can you please be a little loud? अच्छा किसी का idea है अगर and you are talking about कि उसे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि वो retail मतलब उसके लिए FMCG और retail are separate things. Retail and manufacturing is something. FMCG and consumer durable are two things. They are separate things. So what you need to decide is on the product and the demand. जरूरी नहीं ना हर कोई रोज गाड़ी खरीदने नहीं निकलता, but हर कोई रोज टूथब्रश खरीदने निकल सकता है, ठीक है? So that's how you have to decide your products. That I felt like any specific feedback, anything you would like to give to me. कुछ समझ में आया, नहीं समझ में आया, कुछ भी useful नहीं लगा. I am there on LinkedIn. If you guys have any questions, you can ping me anytime. So LinkedIn, I guess you guys have the profile. They must have shared it earlier. So let me know.
Thank you, sir. Your words have truly resonated with us, and we are immensely grateful for the wisdom and knowledge you shared.
Now I would like to welcome our faculty coordinator, Ms. Anupriya, to conclude the guest lecture.
It was such an insightful workshop, and I would like to thank Mayank for coming for this workshop. And when we were in masters together, I always knew he had this way of approaching students, the way he explains concept. I remember during our exams we used to discuss various topics. He used to explain properly in depth. So the moment I knew that this was going to happen, the first person popped out in my mind was Mayank. So thank you so much. We appreciate your expertise and your time. And thank you to the organizing team, Unnati, Garima, Harshit Ahuja, Harshit Sharma, Samarth and Samarth obviously. Thank you so much. And thank you to Vineet sir for his constant guidance and support. And thank you to the audience for your patience and your participation. Thank you so much. I hope you had a great session. Thank you.